स्टार्ट है ना? ओ ओ अच्छा स्टार्ट से पहले ओके 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 now we start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, and don't talk to each other, please. Sincere, please sit. Now the question number 6 of this question exercise 2.7, exercise 2.7, and the question number 6. Question number 6. This question, a vehicle covered, a vehicle, look at your book.
Hello.
Don't talk to each other.
Hello. Yes, sir.
नहीं तो हम म्यूट कर देंगे सबको. Please silent. If you are talking to each other, then I mute all of you. Otherwise, please keep quiet. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will cover in 1 liter of petrol? That means in this question, sorry, bete, once a minute. Hello.
कैसे हो सही?
Hello. Yes. In this question, you have find the distance, and those things you have find, you always put at the right hand side. Those things you find, and here in this question you have find the distance. My first statement is in 2.4 liter, 2.4 liter of petrol,
बोलो.
petrol, car,
Morning, ma'am.
vehicle,
हाँ बोलो. हाँ.
vehicle, vehicle, vehicle covered distance equal 43.2 kilometer. 43.2 kilometer. In 2.4 liter of petrol, vehicle covered a distance 43.2 kilometers. Therefore, in 1 liter of petrol, vehicle covered a distance 43.2 and divided by 2.4. And this kilometer, they covered a distance also covered in kilometer. Now, this is by the unitary method. This 2.4 in the goes to the denominator part. Okay? Okay? Obviously, because in 1 liter, vehicle covered.
नहीं तुम्हारा कंप्लीट है.
Oh, don't make a noise. I mute all of you. I mute all of you. Okay. Now, obviously less distance. If the distance is less, then we divide it by. Now, first we remove the denominator, and this decimal is 1 digit before, and this decimal is also 1 digit before. Then we put multiply by 10 in the denominator and numerator part. Therefore, both the decimal are cancelled to each other. दोनों की प्लेस वैल्यू इक्वल है, इसलिए हमने दोनों को कैंसिल कर दिया. अब now we write the number here, 432 upon 24, and the unit be kilometer. Now we simplify this. It is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 12. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 6 ja 12. and 6, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 1 are 2, 2 0 are 0, 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16, sorry, 2 8 are 16. Now we divided by 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 8 are 48, and now it comes 18 kilometer, and that is our answer. 18 kilometer. Now we write here, it is not clear, we write here 18 kilometer, and that is our answer. 18 kilometer answer. This is my answer. Okay? Okay? Write down. Write down. Now, to this chapter we end, your NCERT book, this chapter we end, and tomorrow we start the next chapter. But today, some questions we solve for another book. Now first we take questions. Can I erase it? Now please write down the question. Question एक लिखिए. The product of two decimal is is 261.36 if one of them is 17.6. Find the other. This question by R.S. Agarwal book. ये R.S. Agarwal book से है. By R.S. Agarwal book, I named the writer of this book. It is not the part of the question, but this question belongs to R.S. Agarwal book. The product of two decimal number is 261.36. So my solution is I don't know what is the number, because at the end of this question, find the other number. So let my two numbers are A and B. A into B equal 261.36. Now, the product of two number is 261.36 if one of them, there is two decimal numbers, one of them. So first you assume if let's suppose this is B is 17.6, then let's suppose B is given 17.6. Now this number is put there, A into 17.6 equal 261.36, and now by the unitary method we find the value of A. Therefore A is equal to 261.36 divided by 17.6. 17.6 divided by, not looking there, only this part we look there. Okay, now we solve. Therefore A equal 261.36 divided by 17.6. Now this part we erase it. Now first we remove the decimal. If the numerator part remove decimal, we put the zeros in the denominator part. First we put 1 below the decimal number and count how many digits are there. 2 digits, you put 2 zeros. Similarly, if the decimal in the denominator part, we remove the decimal and put the zeros in the numerator part, 1 for decimal, and how many digits? There are only 1 digit, 1 put 1 0. Now, we simplify these number. This 0 we cancel to this 0. Now we write again this number 26136 upon 176 into 10. First we solve this number. Then after we divide array xyz. First we solve 176. First we sum of these number. This number is divisible by 2 and this number is also divisible by 2 because the ones place digit is 6. Here is also 6. The number is divisible by 2. So now we write here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, and 2 8s are 16. Okay? Now, 2 8s are 16, and once again 2 8s are 16. Then here is 8. Again, it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, comes 1. Next number comes 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now this number is also divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. It is not, sir. कम हिस्सा है यहीं तक आ रहा है थोड़ा सा कर दीजिए ना कैमरे को लेकर सॉल्व करने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है देखिए कट जा रहा है अभी तो पूरा होनी है ना 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 कैमरे से होगा सेटिंग नहीं है मेरा दिक्कत होता है ना मैं अब मिटा दे रहा हूँ ये सब नाउ वी इरेज दिस पार्ट now we write again this number a is equal to 6534 upon 1 2 44 into 10. Now once again 549 and 6 through. Now once again it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and 2 7s are 14. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now once again this number it is divisible by 7 plus 2 9 and 6 plus 3 9. It is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. Comes 10. 106. 11 9s are 99. 11 9s are 99. Comes 7. 11 7s are 77. 11 2s are 22. And now we write here 297 divided by 2 into 10. Now first we divide by 2. पहले 2 से divide करते हैं. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. And remainder comes 1. It cannot be divisible. We put the decimal and 2 5s are 10 and divided by 10. And this 10, there is 1 0. This decimal move to the 1 digit before. तो ये 1 digit यहाँ चला जाएगा, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे ये ऐसे, therefore 14.85, and this is my number A, and that is my answer. Therefore, my first, the question asked in the question, find the other. My other number is 14.85. 14.85. Okay? And this is the simplification. ये इस केवल simplification है. आपको simplification आना चाहिए. बहुत easily, if you know the divisibility rule, very easily you simplify the questions. Now, I will give some question you have solved in your homework copy. So today I will only write the question on the board and you solve these questions in your homework copy. Okay. And now my second question is, now write down the questions. Question second. It is the homework you have solved in your homework copy. Mr. Bose bought 15.5 liters of refined oil for rupees 1122.20. Find its cost per liter, and that is question mark. You have solved this question in your homework. Mr. Bose bought 15.5 liters of refined oil for rupees 1120.20. Find its cost per liter. You have find the cost of per liter. Now, write down the second question. Question number second. Question number third. Question third. Now, the total weight of some bags of cement is 1743 kg. If each bag weight 49.8 kg, find the number of how many bags, bags are there. Now, in this question, you have find the number of bags. If the total number of the cement bags the total sum bags of cement, the total weight of the cement is given, and each bag weight is also given. If you divided the total sum of the cement bags of the cement by one bag of the cement, then you find the number of bags. Okay, डायरेक्टली आप इसको कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. टोटल वेट में से ईच बैग के वेट को आप डिवाइड कर दीजिए तो आपका नंबर ऑफ बैग्स आ जाएगा. वेरी इजीली क्वेश्चन, इजी क्वेश्चंस. नाउ वी टेक द अनदर क्वेश्चन. Now, one question, I solve it. Now, these two questions you have solved in your homework copy. Now, I take the another question. The question says, what should be subtracted from 0.1 to get 0.03. Now we solve this question. Now my solution is, according to question, the first, what should be subtracted? I don't know what is the number. So first you assume, let the number A be subtracted. Then according to question, the question says, what should be subtracted from 0.1? And now we write here 0.1 minus A be subtracted, we get 0.03. Okay, we write according to the question. Now this minus A go to the right hand side, comes positive sign, and this 0.03 comes to the left hand side, sign comes change, that means it comes also a negative sign. Now we write here 0.1 minus 0.03 equal A. Now we interchange the pens को हम एक बार पलट दें. Therefore we write here A is equal to 0.1 minus 0.03. सेम चीज है, केवल हमने तराजू के पलड़े को चेंज किया है. Now we subtract. Now this is the bigger number but here is a decimal after 2 digits. Now you put 1 0 and now 0.03. Now we subtract it. 3 cannot subtract it from 0. Take borrow, it comes 1, comes 10, and here comes 0. Now 3 subtracted from 10, it comes 7, and 0 subtracted from 0, it comes 0. Now my answer is A is equal to 0.07, and that is my answer. Okay, write down. ये हमारा ये रफ वर्क था, ये रफ है, और ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? All participants unmute. हेलो,
यस सर.
समझ में आया?
यस सर.
किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
इस तरीके से हमारा चैप्टर ये कंप्लीट हो गया है। एंड टुडे इन द इवनिंग आज मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस दूंगा अनदर बुक के, आप लोग करेंगे और जो दो क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं वो भी आप करेंगे। ओके, तो टुडे यस, हाँ यस, टेल मी
सर ये किस एक्सरसाइज का है? सर ये आरएस के किस एक्सरसाइज का
हाँ
है?
ये तो आर एस अग्रवाल का है। आर एस अग्रवाल के ऐसे ही मैंने क्वेश्चन दे दिया है। आप किसी भी बुक का अदर हम देंगे, हम आपको भेजेंगे होमवर्क टुडे,
बुक है अरे
सेंडिंग द होमवर्क।
आता नहीं है होमवर्क।
अरे आएगा भैया, आज से आएगा। अभी तो हम दे रहे थे ना डेली का डेली आपको।
यस सर।
जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक का था उसको हम डेली होमवर्क दे रहे थे, तो हम जब पढ़ाएंगे
sir.
तो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक डेली देते जाएंगे होमवर्क। और जैसे ही हमारा चैप्टर खत्म होगा तो फिर मैं अदर बुक से आपको होमवर्क सेंड करूंगा। ओके, मुझे ही सेंड करना है। ओके, उसमें आपको मैं डेफिनेशन वगैरह सब लिख के भी दे दूंगा। तो ये दिस चैप्टर बी एंड, दैट मींस माय दिस इज द चैप्टर सेकंड और थर्ड। व्हाट इज द चैप्टर इज second, and that means my second chapter be end, but some question I'll give you today in the evening. Okay sir?
यस सर।
So okay, thank you. Please
Bye,
do your
sir.
work.
सर
Be safe.
सर
Yes, बोलिए।
सर कल स्कूल खुलेगा ना?
I don't know अभी पता नहीं कर सकते हैं। कल तो हाँ, आज तो कल देखते हैं, अब पता लगेगा। अगर खुलेगा तो हम मिलेंगे जरूर। ओके, थैंक यू।
से बंद रहेगा।
थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके ओके।
यस